Hi, my name is Leah Wilson. I'll be graduating from Mars Hill in May 2026 with my bachelor's degree, but I'm also part of the 4+1 Criminal Justice Master's program, which I will complete in May 2027. My greatest success here at Mars Hill has been my internship opportunities that I've gotten to partake in, thanks to the Cawthorne Center for Success as well as the Criminal Justice Department here at Mars Hill. I had the honor of working with Susan G. Komen, which is the nation's leading breast cancer awareness and women's health nonprofit here in the United States. In this internship, I served as the community development intern for North Carolina and South Carolina, and I worked on event planning and bringing the community together through the Race for the Cure for awareness of breast cancer as well as fundraising for research. This internship inspired me to bring my own Think Pink event, the first annual one here at Mars Hill University. So in October of 2025, I hosted my Think Pink event during one of the home football games, where I brought local businesses, student organizations, and athletic teams together to spread awareness for Susan G. Komen's mission, as well as successfully fundraising nearly $500 for the foundation. And this internship was really important to me because it inspired my passion for advocacy and systemic reform. And I use that advocacy and that passion every day in my current internship with the 35th Prosecutorial District here in Madison County, specifically with the District Attorney's Office, where I learn all about how to be a district attorney and fight for people and justice for victims. They've really introduced me to a foundation and a network of professors, mentors, and personal relationships that I've built. I specifically want to thank Dr. Hunt, Dr. Susan Stegall, as well as my coach Danielle Plimpton, specifically with my Think Pink event. They truly gave me advice, they built my confidence, and they helped me create this event and make it a success. Not just about having an event, but they also made it truly meaningful and impactful for our community as well. Also, our entire criminal justice department, Dr. Goforth, Dr. Lucas, Dr. Ledford, they've truly built a foundation with my knowledge, with my professional relationships, my skills, things like that, to truly make this internship possible, as well as prepare me for my future once I leave Mars Hill. Mars Hill University is truly such a special place, and it's also not just built me as a student and a future professional, but it's also shaped me as a leader, a teammate, and a person. Through my experience with the Bailey Mountain Cloggers, I've had the once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to travel the world, going to Indonesia, going to Slovenia, and soon going to Germany. And I'm truly thankful for all of the friendships, the lessons, the memories that I've had with BMC. But Mars Hill has also introduced me to a whole network of professors, mentors, people that I truly can look up to and build those skills of how to serve my community and be a future professional. And I'm so grateful for every lesson, every moment, every challenge I've had at Mars Hill, and it's truly shaped me. I'm Leah Wilson, and I'm moving mountains thanks to Mars Hill.